Dr. Paul, I'm concerned about Mr. George's breathing. He seems to be having difficulty breathing, and his breaths are sounding labored.
Thank you, Mihira, for bringing this to my attention. Let's assess his respiratory status. Can you describe the sound of his breathing in more detail?
It sounds like he's wheezing. There's a whistling sound when he exhales.
Wheezing can be a sign of airway obstruction. Let's check his oxygen saturation and listen to his lungs.
His oxygen saturation is dropping. I'll administer oxygen and notify the respiratory therapist.
Good. Mihira, we'll need to determine the cause of the wheezing. Is there a history of asthma or other respiratory conditions?
He mentioned having allergies, but he hasn't reported any previous asthma attacks.
We'll need to order a chest X-ray to rule out any underlying conditions. In the meantime, we can administer a bronchodilator to help open up his airways. That's a great attitude, Mihira, and those are very important areas we need to focus on. When it comes to managing type 2 diabetes, making thoughtful changes to your diet and incorporating regular physical activity are truly the cornerstones of effective management. For your diet, we're not talking about drastic restrictions, but rather focusing on balanced meals. This means ensuring you're getting a good mix of whole grains, lean proteins, and plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables at each meal. Thinking about portion control is also really helpful. It's about being mindful of how much you're eating, not just what. And, as you might expect, we'll work on limiting sugary and highly processed foods, as these can cause significant and rapid spikes in your blood sugar levels. Alongside these dietary adjustments, regular physical activity plays an incredibly vital role. The recommendation is to aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate activity most days of the week. If that sounds like a lot to start with, please don't worry. The key is to start light and gradually build up. Even brisk walking, swimming, or cycling can make a big difference. The benefits of regular activity are immense. It helps your body use insulin more effectively, which in turn helps manage your blood sugar. You'll likely find you have more energy, and it can also significantly assist with weight management, all of which contribute positively to your overall diabetes control and well-being. How do these initial thoughts about diet and exercise sound to you?